The challenge we all face when the battery quits is which size to use. So stick around for a full battery replacement tutorial, including info on the battery used in this video, as well as what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. To access the positive, unclip both these pins and loosen the nut closest to the battery post. You don't need to remove the nuts completely, just loose enough to wiggle the clamp off. Then down at the base of the battery, remove the bolt on the bracket, which is pretty much the hardest part of this whole exercise given the limited space. A magnet might come in handy here, or simply just some press stick in the socket to remove the bolt. Now unplug the vent tube and remove the insulating jacket around the battery as well. The insulating jacket is specific to this model, so I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, shift the battery under this retaining lip at the back. It's good practice to clean the terminals and battery posts for a good connection. I'll post a link in the description for this handy little tool. I usually just check if the positive can reach before tightening the bracket, but finish these first before connecting the negative. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. The positive clamp is known for moving around after tightening. You can avoid that by pushing the terminal as low as possible on the tapered post. I usually extend the clamp with a flat screwdriver to achieve this. Take care not to over-tighten the terminal nuts. The terminal should just not move around by hand. The battery used here applies to the 2011 to 2016 1.2 and 1.4 petrol models, which should be in the 45 amp hour range with these dimensions to fit the insulating jacket. Later models use a bigger battery, but have a different instrument cluster as well. So just compare yours with the footage later in the video. I'll leave some links in the description to buy the battery online for the size used in this video. There were no warning messages on startup. A radio code isn't necessary, but to set the time and date, press and hold the setup clock button, adjust with the tuning knob, and press it to select the next option. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.